From its humble beginnings as a saddlery and motor car parts factory, Holden's rich and prosperous history has epitomised Australia's workmanship and innovative spirit. However, in recent years, Holden's Australian manufacturing endeavours have hit several speeds. In 2013, General Motors announced that it would close its Holden car-making operations in Australia and confirmed that the last Commodore would run off the production line by October 20th, 2017. With the automotive manufacturing industry running out of steam in Australia, some important factors can be attributed to its demise. Holden boss Mark Bernard has stated, "Holden is profitable on our imported vehicle range, while our manufacturing business continued to run at a loss in 2015. With Australia's car tariff being one of the lowest in the world, countries who have signed free trade agreements with Australia can import cars at little or no cost. This means that the foreign cars can be sold at a cheaper price compared to the same type of local models, or the same price but better quality, making the Australian car marketplace being a paradise for consumers, spoiling the consumer for choice to over 60 automotive brands." Due to the volume of competitors, domestic car manufacturers can not only sell cars to the domestic consumer, it must export cars for survival. However, the strong value of the Australian dollar over recent years has limited exports and boosted imports, which has made the solution to Holden's profitability problem a little more complicated. Another factor which has contributed to Holden's choice to move manufacturing offshore is the fact that Australia's unit labour costs are substantially higher than those of its neighbouring countries, such as Thailand, Japan and South Korea. This can be directly attributed to Holden's 60% decrease in exports from 2015 to 2016.
Additionally, the Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries highlights the surge of popularity in small SUVs. In the same year, Holden announced its exit from the manufacturing industry in Australia. As buyers began to gravitate towards smaller cars with the same amount of extras and a smaller price tag, the desire of the quintessential Holden Commodore began to dwindle, as drivers nationwide decided to switch from locally built sedans to smaller, more fuel-efficient cars like the Toyota Corolla.
Well, I think Holden made the right choice to cut production costs and close some of the factories to maintain a profit and stay ahead of their competitors. But I think they could have lost a competitive advantage without the Made in Australia badge.